Thank you for joining. Power to Practice 2-Minute Tuesdays presents how to handle unprocessed lab exceptions. Today, we will be reviewing how to merge an unprocessed lab exception with the correct patient's chart to improve your workflow. What is an unprocessed lab exception? It is a lab result that does not match any patient information in P2P. This could mean that the results were sent in error, or, more commonly, there was an error or typo with the patient's name, date of birth, or gender that is preventing the results from automatically processing to the patient's chart. On the home page, navigate down to the to-do list and click on Unprocessed Lab Exception positioned here. Let's review this example of when an unprocessed lab exception does not match with a patient's chart in P2P. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the patient's name to view the patient's information. Search for the patient using the search feature on the right-hand side of the screen. Use the patient's name, date of birth, and gender to determine whether or not the lab result belongs to a patient in P2P. This example, you have exhausted all attempts to confirm a patient's chart and the patient is still not loading. To note, you always have the option to create a new patient chart if needed by clicking on Create Patient. Contact the lab company to let them know the results were sent in error and then delete the results by clicking on the trash bin icon. Let's review how to merge a lab result with a patient's chart. Follow the previously explained steps to search for the patient's chart. Once you have determined the lab result matches the chart, select the result via the checkbox on the left, then click on Merge next to the selected patient chart. A pop-up window will appear to alert you that the merge is final and cannot be undone. The final step is to click on Continue to merge the lab result with the patient's chart. You will receive a success pop-up window. Click on Close to resume working. Thank you for joining the Power to Practice 2-Minute Tuesdays presentation of how to handle unprocessed lab exceptions. Look out for more 2-Minute Tuesdays coming your way.